In this video we show how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Two-factor authentication ensures security on Facebook. But some users want to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook 2023. This video help you to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook 2023. So how to do it? Open Facebook and log in your account. Then tap on vertical line. Then tap on icon. Then tap on setting privacy. Then tap on setting. Then tap on account center. Then tap on password and security. Tap on use two-factor authentication. Then enter your Facebook. Then select the method. Then tap off two-factor authentication. Simple turn off. I hope this video show to delete and remove Facebook two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching.